So once you've got the brief from the client, the next thing to do is start collecting together some of the imagery that they mentioned. So let's take a look. Now the first website was Business Improvement Network, so I'd just take a screenshot of that logo there. Now you can do that on a Mac by going Command, Shift and 4, and on a PC you should have a button on your keyboard called Print Screen. Then go into the next one, which was Exploring Social Media. Again, do exactly the same thing and do a screenshot there. Same thing with PayPal. Exactly the same thing with Bolt and with Monster. And then you could also, if you wanted, have a look for some of your own websites, well, ones that you think are related. We'll do this more later. But I found a few such as Smarter, BNI, and I just did exactly the same thing. I did a screenshot there as well. Now once you've got all those images, you can put those in a folder and then drag them over into iPhoto. And to create a new album in iPhoto, you just go File, New Album, and just basically grab all those images and drag them over. And the only reason we're doing this really is so we can see everything in one place. Now if you're on a PC, I think there's Google Picasa, which I think is free. Just go to Google and search for that, Google Picasa. Or there's, I think, Windows Media Explorer,